So we're being blessed a little bit more in the UK, and as you can see, I lie down on the shade because your girl not gonna the sun over there. So we know better than that. Yeah, we know better. Better? What is better? We know better than to go in the sun. So yeah, we don't go in the sun because we know it's not. We don't want to have a heat stroke, or we don't want to catch skin, you know, then skin CANCER or something. Yeah. So we know when to go in the sun and when not to go. All those other these colored people, they can do whatever it is that they wanted to. But yeah, enough of me gibberish. I'm just lying here in the park, yeah, holding my phone in my hand, and I try to give my uptake. No one word go so. I said no tree there. Oh. You know, so nobody a climb tree in England, you know. Nobody not climb tree because health and safety. You will get charged and you will get this and you will get that. So nobody feel like you can just come in and see people them tree and climb the people them tree. You cannot, right? You cannot climb the people's tree because it's not a done thing in this country. So stay your country where you can climb your tree. Now come here. I'm just joking. I joke me a make, but no, you can't climb it. You can't climb a tree for real. Yeah, you can't climb the tree. So one thing you remember, one thing you need to remember when you come here, let your tree climbing at your yard. Let your tree climbing at your yard. Anyway, people, Vegas and me tell you about one of them just go, like, she sit down over there and me shade her catch her, so she come in nice sunshine. Everybody wants to be brave. But anyway, each of their own, as I was saying. So as I was saying earlier, today we're going here with the cartel in or out. And although I know it don't interest a lot of people, but I want to know what going on. I want to know everything what going on. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to know all type of news. I don't want to know just one set of news. I want to know all type of news. So yes. But then people you see Mr. Vegas and Spice is at it from the other day. From the other day when Spice go perform an unruly face, popcorn unruly face, and everybody don't know say Spice love the LGBT people them. I not say I hate nobody, no I love, I not hate nobody. Love who you want love. Love who you want love. But I'm just glad say in my immediate family, God bless all of my children them to like the other sex. Like my son then had them baby mother and them married. Well, one of them married, one of baby mother. The little one, I know say for him things set that way there too, cause I'm having like a girlfriend and thing. My daughter, she don't want nobody at all. She don't want nobody at all. But I'm glad say I don't have them dilemma there when I have fit in no LGBT, so I just know say no, that's not for me. I don't know about grandpitney and future grandpitney and great. But them tell them they done gone, I don't care about them and something. Them and something that have nothing to do with me. But anyway, as I was saying, let me sit up. Spice and Vegas, they have been going at it from the other day because Spice perform an unruly face and Spice bring out one of them rainbow people there to perform on our thing. And you know how popcorn say popcorn is a why everything in a why. Popcorn always a why everything. So if you know say a man like that will why up certain thing, and then a LGBTQ plus Z plus whatever it is plus, is on his stage that he has arranged. So Mr. Vegas, so the thing is, Mr. Vegas come out and Mr. Vegas and look out against Spice, because she has Spice them dirty up dancehall, and them allow all type of things to go on in a dancehall. And when you look into it, I understand Mr. Vegas' point. I understand Mr. Vegas' point, because I feel like everybody need to have their own space. So for example, the LGBTQ plus people, them not necessarily have, why them have to want what everybody else why them can't have for them own genre of music, like, because why. Anyway, Vegas has said then come and then dirty up dancehall, and the two of them I go back and forth, but who dirty up and who not dirty up. And anyway, me blabbering here, you're not gonna really understand what is going on, especially if you're not keeping up with entertainment news and all of those things. But yes, Spice, the man says Spice are dirty up the thing, and them need to clean up dancehall. So I'm gonna be inserting a few clips. First, I'm gonna be inserting the one with Mr. Vegas, so you people can see. Let me relax now. Let me relax, man. Just listen. I'm gonna upload the one with Mr. Vegas first, saying
they have totally destroyed the fabric of dancehall. And who are the two main persons? Vybz Kartel and Spice destroy the fabric of dancehall. Yeah. Anyone who want to take it or not take it. Facts. Yeah. One time, no man could not sing no song I tell girl about to push wood down na throat and is in there. Cartel legalize that. Facts. The girl them just run out and just bowl with it. So we don't really have no boundaries again in a dancehall. We just can sing anything. Spice, pan the woman them side, with no talent when it comes down to being a recording artist. She is not a great talent. Great stage performer, if you want to call it that, with her one bag of theatrics. But she don't have no musical talent of such. Very mediocre. I'm telling you. So Francis sing So She Like It on the stage. She have to draw for the sheet. She have to draw for the dancer them. And she have to plant smudding at the crowd to come get her forward. And so said, so done yesterday or whenever in England. England, where I one of the core base. England, New York, Jamaica, the core base them there. And if Spice can infiltrate the core base, which is England, it means that dancehall get fucked. If Spice can infiltrate the core, where England, one of the core base, it's not like down at some far out part where the people don't really understand what are going on. England that, and you see man in a crowd, I put up on a smile up face. One time that couldn't go on a dance hall, no man couldn't go up on a stage and skin out. No man couldn't do that in a dance hall. New York, England, Miami too. Yeah, like Fort Lauderdale and place, eh? Yeah. But me attack the hub. You have Kingston, right? Mobile. Them region there. England in London and them place, you're mad. Bring shakiness on stage. A beer, boo and buckle you get, man. Remember me tell you. Spice totally destroyed the fabric of dancehall. No morals in night again. No self-respect neither. When the matter about ladies I used to slack and Shabba used to slack, we're supposed to sing about pum pum and them thing there. Cause that one we pitney them come we youth them, we son them, we son them come have, you know, girlfriends or wife and give we grand pitney and them something there and continue with DNA. You understand me? Yeah. But now a different thing. Them girl yeah, where you see now I say them a dancehall artists. Them have no boundaries. Zero boundaries. Spice a disgrace. Me tell you now what you say, Spice bring the most nastiness in a dancehall. She embraced them and them dep on the internet a parade a cuss people. Right now, they are Martinique. I go out last night. Zane, the people them not play dancehall again. Martinique, this you know. Them don't play dancehall again. Even the two little dancehall songs them were popular. Like Drift and Byron Messiah and Shensia, Hit and Run. The people them mix it on a rhythm named Shatter. Zane, go up on my YouTube, me just release a Shatter tune called Kudawa. Trump. Zane, you know, like a comedy things like. No. When you're there Martinique and them place, you don't hear dancehall again. Them not in play dancehall again. You know them do? Them merge the dancehall with a kind of African sound like. And them have a thing called shatter. When you go in at the party and that play, the artists them don't hear DJ like how Shabba them used to DJ. Yeah? Kalash them and Chris them. And the girls, them don't have DJ like ladies are them. Them are DJ like Shabba them. Come, yo, just go on the internet and type in Shatter. Shatter music from Martinique and Guadeloupe and them place there. The people them are DJ are hardcore, real hardcore, them are DJ hardcore. And them dip on the rhythm, and a bounce on the rhythm like how we used to vibe rhythm. You understand me I say? Where them are eat and them when you in the party them, like how we used to have the songs them with the big punchline, the big hook. Yeah? Like give me the girl, let me the wicked Islam. He kind of girl when feel love up she man. And used to have heads high, kill them with the no. And used to have Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to the bimmer? Used to have like traffic blocking, girl come down in a serious thing. You know, that's a little part, you know, serious thing. You know, them little thing. When you're in a Martinique and them place to know. And you see the French youth, them have singing in a Creole. Them have them elements there. The serious thing and the whole crowd are sing it. The whole crowd are sing that shit. Yeah. When in the party, me in a party last night, I don't understand nothing what them are sing say, but me feel it and me hear it and me see how the crowd are react. And the crowd are going bad like oh we used to have the crowd a move. Some man a play number 2. Some man a in number 2. And want me for Belocious, baby. How she a drive the whole gangster crazy. Everybody know say the woman them a lead. Them hotter than Pepsi. I saw the people them in the party a sing out. You know them Creole language and them French language people. Yeah, them little idiot we come to dancehall. Destroy the fabric of dancehall people. So them not even play it again. And when people look now and see this little mediocre artist where we not call dancehall queen, where I come try size up. But how many songs make us have in the Billboard? I come try size up. Run out on stage with a white sheet. White means purity. White means godliness. White means clean. White means pure. White means river water we clean where I run. You put out white sheet on stage as a representation and have people come on stage and call themselves whatever they call themselves. Bestie, man, come boy my bestie. A skin out on stage. Man asking, no. A bus like as you know what call ladies are. Ladies are used to sing about sex, heels on, belly rubber dub, whatever. She sure we say, yo, a procreation the thing there, a man and woman the thing there, a this or the thing there, a dancehall that bubbling, whining together, daggering, slam, that are our thing. Seeing you in a party now, girl and girl a wine up, girl and girl a share lollipop, girl and girl a lick tongue, and they sit in a dancehall. Keep that in the phone space, keep that on the yard, keep that in the circle. Dancehall is one place where you not go dancehall, go violate Inside the circle, we not say, yo, if you discriminate against people, you know. We not say, if you hate nobody, you know. Yeah, of course, you gotta have shaky people who are your fans. You understand me? They come on your show, them, they, of course, them welcome. Of course, we not say, yo, don't come on our show. We not say, don't buy with music. But we say, we don't come in our space. Act accordingly. Act accordingly in other space, yeah. When you blood clot dancehall. You see? Act accordingly to the culture. We have certain cultural values, brethren. One can make big old idiot spice when our talent come destroy the fabric of dancehall and when they can idiot them on the internet when people attack. When about say people bad mind. Bad mind for what? We have a bad mind spice. We have bad mind spice for? Spice bad mind our own herself. We don't know sister Spice not even love herself. Eh? Eh? Spice don't even love herself. We have to about bad mind. Bad mind what? She bad mind her own herself. Eh? Spice look like somebody will love herself. Spice are living in misery. And if you understand that, brethren, and that misery there, I bring a negative energy in the space, brethren. I want to embrace it and I accept it. And I crown queen. Crown with queen. Take off that. Queen for where? Queen for bring man on stage, come skin out. I want to you. Eh? And you do song with all our top general, them like all, my brother name, Chronicle and them, they do song with. And I bring, yo, Popcorn, them a youth, we're supposed to be core. And the man keep him show England and you bring shaky man on stage. A skin out on the man stage. You know, no blood clot boundary. When I go and come we stay silent. You know, no boundary. And you look at idiot people them on the internet who gas you up. You look at drama, fool, idiot people them on the internet who are on love and hip hop. Them things said that. Love and hip hop are some B grade, C grade artists who can't bust in the music. When I go and have something for run around the building and with flags and rejoice and celebrate Jamaica historic feat. You know, this is historic. I reject them the bumbuckler love and hip hop we can't bust. Remember that. Or a try bus. Facts. Uno not fool nobody. We not destroy our workplace. I don't know idiot when I tell you say, uno come, uno bring uno a dancer to come go and come tell we no fit talk. Uno can come in our workplace come tell we no fit talk. Spice for go. Spice for go. Spice now no talent. When it comes on to studio recording or recordings, Danny Brownie them would have never vice Spice. Richard Brownie them would have never vice Spice. Tony Kelly them would have to write the song and sit down with her and make certain say it come to perfection. You think the Spice can write no song up at Tony Kelly them? I want to know. Tony Kelly them do trust people for write song for them reading much more. Them man they sit down and pray them reading for you. Yeah, me go up when me bring Sucky Ducky up at Tony Kelly. The man they sit down and fix it. Me and I stood up for about 3 hours sing one thing. Could I do them, them. Could I do them, them. Could I do them, them. Me have to sing and the man say, high one now. Could I do them, them. Could I do them. Man say, low one now. Could I do them. About 50 million track. I'm to know. I can't come destroy when the man then great man the bill. I want to know Spice for go. Spice I come destroy with the greats them build Danny Brownie and Steely and Clevey them and the great you know Jammies them and the great Jan them. Spice I come I'm to know. Destroy the fabric of dancehall and nobody no want to hear it again. How I work this, how I work place this. Now come tell man how to talk and what to talk. Say Spice a idiot artist. Mediocre artist, recording artist. She go up on stage and create drama. Bring one sheet or some dance up on some pole. Nothing after the first song. Good, so she like it, whatever you want name. A man a romantic call a patra song that. Nah, trick nobody. Nigga like pum pum a shabarang song that. Yeah, we don't say people not take other people work and remix it and everything, but my 90% are song them want to know people work or she try barb around. Yee-haw, see-saw, wee-haw. Red rat them do that. Fuck out of here. Bright. But, how much song Vegas has ever entered Billboard? Me mama. Yeah. But you're right now, Chronicle them, we are soldier. We are real gangster. You never just call me and say, take me off of your song. And Popcorn need to come apologize to the people them to put up on him show to do that. I want to know. You can't come and want Dutty up dancehall. I want to know. And this again, people me remind you. We not discriminate against no people. We not say no people bring violence to no people with them sexual orientation. But we are saying no blood clot space. Next thing a blood clot trying to go and dress up and come on stage, come wine up on man. I want to know. You see all the girl, all what me see all one Jada Kingdom, all I put all Derek per intro. All of put shaky people pan dancehall intro. Wanna know say them shaky. And I come spread that up, I come propagate that in a dancehall. Uno fi go. Think you not fool nobody boy, and we not dirty up dancehall, brethren, and not destroy the fabric of dancehall with Tony Kelly them build. And Dave Kelly them build, brethren. When you hear Dave Kelly sang them, go listen to Dave Kelly catalog. Them man they come like biblical scholars. Them man they come like prophet when the man they write dancehall. I want to know. You can't destroy the Dave Kelly them come put on boy with a nastiness. Eh? I want to know. Yo, you know where dancehall come from? Dancehall come from when Red Dragon go sing Slackness, him get banned for 2 years. That's when we have morals and respect in a dancehall. Yeah. Red Dragon go make a mistake and sing Slackness and want them ban him for 2 years. Spice for go. We need to hold back with dancehall and firm up back with dancehall and run with Spice them with them nastiness. And them people that we have put the shaky people them for intro. And I call it dancehall music. Dancehall music want for no space. No clad space. Because that reflect bad on our culture, brethren. I'm going to say, we just accept anything right now we come away. Next thing I got bumbuckler man come do dancehall song and that a play when you go all a blood clot dance, you see blood clot shaky man song a play and I get big forward. I'm not idiot. After Tony Kelly them done say can't believe me eyes. Eh? I want to know man. Remember say Baby Sham, Baby Sham should have shame on you right now. And Baby Sham them have done sing already say give them the dance, bust the dance fam you were born up and the boy make me hear fuck you. To know. Wanna forget them there? And where we gone to? No, wanna fi stay if you not come in a dancehall space. I wanna shake you, brethren. Just behave appropriately. In a space, brethren, bumbuckler to come jump and sheet and a skin out and a kick with the girl them. The man come like he want to fight the blood clean girl them on the stage to blood clean like a violate the girl them violate him. Wanna plant people in a crowd and then a draw out people like wanna think wanna bumbuckler smart. Wanna plant people in a crowd, shake people in a crowd and I bring them on stage. You know me never tell you nobody. Me not tell nobody say Spice bring the most nastiness in a dancer. Me never tell no. Because she not no talent, brethren, when it comes down to being a recording artist, brethren. So she have to use them things that to build up her show. She have to use them things that to make up her show. She have to use them things that to full out the time slot, people. She not have no blood clot hit song. She have one little go down there, where she do with Shaggy and Sean Paul. And Sean Paul do have it time set. Because when you play it on the road, it not get no blood clot forward. You think so me no see it? Me a idiot? Me no see Shaggy and Sean Paul them a perform it and they not get no forward and them just take it out of them set. Because it not getting any forward. It's a little tune come out in a COVID and Shaggy them spend a bag of resource, put a bag of resources behind it and make it what it is. So she have one song with the people them know. The two little other song them on with two little juggling. She have some little juggling song. Like what Dave Kelly did right here of a Sister Charmian song. Sister Charmian song we say, me is a girl come from country. And one thing my granny used to say to me, say Charmian and nothing in that a Charmian song that. Me is a girl in a fight over man, a Charmian something that. Me is a girl come from country. That's Charmaine that. We don't have fool nobody. The one song was
what he's saying, and then I'm gonna upload a clip with Spice, a clapback.
Kissing men on television and so forth. Like, you think, you know, for example, will there ever be a television show in Jamaica with 2 gay men on it kissing?
there might be, but is the public going to accept it?
Yeah.
That's a far way.
Far away.
Far away
Yeah.
for the public to accept that. However, I do think that artists, myself, other artists coming up and stuff like that, we don't let those things bother us. We don't pay attention to those things. We don't worry about the life that people are living, especially myself. I do think that artists, myself, other artists coming up and stuff like that, we don't let those things bother us. We don't pay attention to those things. We don't worry about the life that people are living, especially myself.
Yeah.
I go to one of these top stations to do a performance that was aired across the United States. I go outside. I went outside. I saw some guys like transgenders and stuff like that. They wanted to take pictures, but they were scared. So my people I'm with are like, them boy, I don't want to take some picture, you know. I'm like, where the boy them? But I'm seeing like people dressing like girls. So but they were like,
Where's the boy them? That's pretty funny.
so I'm like, where are the boys? You know, so I'm trying. So I say, yeah, man, see them there, man, see them there. So I was like, oh, they want pictures? Yo, come. And I called all of them.
Okay.
And I took pictures. I was like hugging and taking pictures. I went anymore.
With Spice clapping back at Mr. Vegas, and yeah, they said they might do whatever it is that they want to do. So I am gonna, you will have an idea of what really is going on. You will have a better idea of what is going on. But guys, all of this for me, all these things are entertainment. Anybody who want to take these things on a personal level, that's up to you. These things not involve me nor my immediate family. So certain things I do not take on board. I just take it for whatever it is. And for me, it's just entertainment. Anyway, and internet people not really real anyway. Like internet life, like I try to do that on the internet and let that stay on the internet, because as far as I'm concerned, that's not really real. And them people, they are some weirdo on the internet and are some cyber people. So I try not to mix up the reality. I try not to mix up my reality, what I'm living, and the things that I know as facts. I try not to mix it up with the online, the metaverse. Yeah, that's the word I want. Me not in the metaverse. I don't take the metaverse seriously. So guys, oops, pardon me, I just ate a piece of orange. So it's all up to you, whatever you guys wanna. Everybody free to do what they want to do. But yet still, I'm gonna be uploading this clip. So for people, like-minded people who want to view it, they can view it. For those who don't want to view it, thank you for watching, and maybe my next video you will find it interesting. But anyway, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Me not answer no derogatory messages or not comments or all of them something. Once it's derogatory or yeah I'm not gonna be yeah. So for people who want to see it, I'm gonna be putting it in the next clip. So stay tuned and we will see what Vegas and Vegas them is all about with what's her name, Spice. So I'll catch you in 2, and peace.